Because let's write an Android app. In Android Studio, when you open it, you will see a list of options. Hover your mouse over Start a new Android project and click on it. When we create an Android project, we will need a few parameters. First, a name. Let's call it Hello World. Next, it asks for your company domain. The reason why it does that, because eventually when you publish your app on the App Store, the domain is going to be used to generate the package name, and it have to be unique. The convention is to use a domain that you own so that it will not clash with other apps. I own the domain sqsisland.com, so I'll put it in there. Next is project location. The default value is fine as long as you remember what it is, so that you can go look for it later. On the fourth line, you can see package name. It is taken from the company domain and also name. Android Studio also generates it for you. If you want, you can click on edit to give it another name, but I'll just accept this default value. Finally, very important, make sure you click on include Kotlin support so that when Android Studio generates the project, it is going to be using Kotlin instead of Java. Click on next. Here, Android Studio asks you what target we want for our app. You can see that it says by targeting API 15 and later. Your app will run on approximately 100% of device. Click on Help Me Choose for more information. Android Studio has a very convenient guide. What this means is that as you choose a higher and higher level, you have more and more functionalities that you can use. But you can support fewer and fewer devices because fewer people will be running devices with the latest variant. Which variant to choose? It really depends what you want your app to do. You will need to review the list of features that you need and then decide how many people you want to support. For our first app, we will choose the lowest variant 15. Click OK and then press Next. Now Android Studio asks us if we want to add an activity. The default is fine, meaning choose empty activities. Click Next. And now we want to give it a name to the activity and the layout name. You can just leave it as it using the default value main activity and the activity underscore main. Press Next and we are done. Press Finish. Now we can see that Android Studio is open with the project that we just generated. Click Close to dismiss the tip of the day. First thing I recommend you to do is to go to the drop down on the top left corner. Instead of Android View, choose Project View. This means that Android Studio will display the folders and files in the same way that it is on the disk. This makes it easier when you want to store them in a version control system or simply to find out where the files are. Next, we are going to create an emulator and then run this app on emulator. Thank you.